Alright, so my cigarette outlet for my 2019 e-Golf went out. As you can see, the light turns on here, but the light for the actual charger does not turn on. Ignore the mess in my car. So quickly figured out, check the owner's manual. If you pull off, there's a cover right here, the little coin pouch, you can call it, right here. So to get to the fuse box, you're just gonna open this, and then you're gonna pull really hard down on here, just like that. And there's a fuse box, and then there's the fuse I replaced right there. So you're just gonna pull this, my broken one, for example, if it's broken, you pull this out, then just put a new one right there. Pull that out, and then use this to take out the fuse. You can find this in the fuse box underneath the hood. Alright, so in terms of finding the fuse hook, it's just right on top here. It goes in like that, just on the top. Snaps in, and it goes this way. So these up here, there you go. And then look for a 20 volt or 20 amp. Just find this fuse. It should be right. So as I was saying, the fuse is going to be right here, so right next to this little black box. It's yellow. It should say 20. This is for North America. All the 2019 e-Golf models should. It might be the same with the other Volkswagen products, but I do not know. So it's going to be just right there. You take it out. As you can see, for a while I was wondering why it wasn't working. As you can see there, the connection is definitely burnt out. So this fuse definitely does not supply power. So I'm just going to grab a new one, put it in there, and hopefully it should work. And to put it back, you're just gonna line up these little pegs right here, right there. Put them where those holes are. Just like that. Push back up. And just like that. It's back in. And it works. And for the charger I'm using, I really recommend this charger. It's got both USB-C, USB as well. And it supports IQ charging. It's just by Anchor. I really suggest this brand. And this will definitely last.